going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Before I start anything, I'd like to say as of right now, we are less than 10 subscribers away from hitting our 1,500 subscribers and doing our 1,500 subscriber giveaway. And for those of you that are new and just joining us, our giveaway is this nut rivet insert tool, an assortment of nut rivets, and of course all the little dies to put them in, whatever it is you'll be putting it in. Now this is my personal kit. The one I will be sending to the winner is in that box right there. So if you are new and haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Watch the video. I'll put a link wherever it shows up, but you need to watch that video, follow the directions, and comment. And that also brings me to another little thing. Now, for those of you that have been with me for a while, know that I do like to try to get a video out every week, but I did miss last week, and I will be missing a couple more coming up. Reason is I had to stay at work longer, and I'll be going into work earlier, so I will be missing a few videos. And because of that, until I get home from work coming up, we're going to extend it. So however many subscribers I get from now till I get back and watch the video and follow the instructions will be entered in our 1,500 subscriber giveaway. So there is a chance if you're just coming across this, we could do 1,500, 1,505, 1,510, whatever it may be by the time I get back. As long as it's over 1,500, you are entered in the giveaway. So that's what we're doing. Again, you guys, I greatly appreciate all the support you've given me and helped me build this channel. And I'm excited to give the tool away. That's what I want to do. Help you guys out as much as you help me. And just have fun with this. So make sure you share, comment, like, subscribe, all that neat stuff. But now that I've got that out of the way, here's what I've got going on. We are back on Frankenstein. Now, the last video we did on this is where we mocked up our steering column and put it in the steering shaft. Also, mocked up our little air intake, and of course I had another little short video of me welding it to this point. Since then, I have received our little water to air intercooler and a big box full of a bunch of 2.5-inch aluminum piping and a bunch of couplers. So now I can start mocking up some tubing. I got 1.25 inch here, which I'll be welding in this spot right here. Just got to take some measurements. That way we can weld the tab on, mount our intercooler, get that mocked up and in place so we can get the turbo going to the intercooler, get all that stuff done. Pull our air intake off, get a face made for it so we can connect everything together. So that's what I'm going to do. Get myself set up, get some measurements so I can tack weld this guy into place, start welding up and making the tabs for our intercooler. So let's get to it. Alright, intercooler is tack welded into place, and as you saw there, we went ahead and put the coupler on. But I don't know about you guys, but I think that looks a little funky, all those clamps there. So what I think I'm going to do is go ahead and pull the intercooler back off, and I'm going to cut the other end like this. Whoop, let's get down there. I'm going to cut this end off the other side, grab our new aluminum tubing, And then basically just weld an extension on. Give it a little bit more length. That way I don't have to have so many clamps on there and use 2 couplers. So, plus I think it'll clean it up a little bit. And that's what this whole thing is about, learning, practicing, see what we can do to make it better. So, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and get the intercooler back off. I'm going to cut the end of it off. I'm also going to pull our intake off as well. That way I can get the face traced out, get it ready to weld on as well. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'll see you guys here in a second. I'll have all that stuff off back over here on the table. All right, so we went ahead and tack welded this guy into place. I've also got on top and bottom. Got a little bit of cleanup to do, but test fitted it. Now it fits the way I want. Here is the face for our airbox. I've gone ahead too, and as you guys seen there, went ahead and rolled the bead in our inlet. I used our little wire crimpers there to put a couple of dimples in it, just so I can slide it up into the face and tack weld it on the back side. Make sure it goes all the way through. And then of course, that's what it'll look like once it's welded to the top, or pretty close. So now I got to get everything finished cleaning everything up. Make sure the face of the airbox is clean all the way around the inlet on our intercooler. Make sure this is clean all the way around. Get it fully welded up, then we'll get this welded on the airbox, and get everything test fitted back on the cart there, and then we'll make our exit from the other side of this guy, of course, into the airbox. That way we can complete our full intake system. So get the camera set up and we'll get finished welding this thing up. All right, intercooler and airbox are all welded up, and I'll show you what we got. So it is installed back where it's going to sit. You see I got the little mounting tab back there. I will build another strap to come down and across, probably 1 inch as well, and weld in there to help support the intercooler. Here's our extension, comes all the way across into our turbo. As you can see, it definitely looks a lot better than 2 couplers and 4 clamps. Just looks a little bit cleaner. Not pretty, but I mean, this is cast aluminum and I wasn't quite prepared for that. It didn't seem to be, no matter how well I cleaned it or took the wire brush to it, I couldn't get it to weld clean. But that's as good as it got. Show you our airbox. So here's the front of our airbox. You saw there we got the cap all welded up, front's all welded up. Went to a 3-inch inlet to use this guy here. That'll neck back down into 2.5. The reason I went to 3 is just in case I need to get in there and maybe line up the little gaskets or the couplers for the throttle bodies. That's really the only reason I did that. Now some of you that, if the rubber's dry or it gets caught just a little bit on one of the throttle bodies, you gotta go up, down, or you smack it a few times. And I didn't really feel like doing that, so I used 3" on the front there. That way I can get in, I can make sure everything goes down and fits good. It's really the only reason I put 3" on the front there. You can see it don't look too bad. So now what we got to do is we're going to put this coupler back on. Make sure that slides all the way on. Got a coupler there. And I'm going to use 2 90s I got from this kit over here. We'll go ahead and I'll put them in. Line them up. Figure out what it is I need to cut off each end. Clean them up. Get it fully welded all the way around. And get it installed in the buggy. So that's what I'm going to do. I'll get the camera set up. Take the measurements I need, get it cut, weld it up, and we'll reinstall it. And we're done. All right, pipes all welded up. Here's what it looks like installed. Now you see it does not look bad at all. Cleaned up really nice. And you step back and you can just kind of see exactly how the whole system looks. Now I think it looks really, really cool. It's really starting to bring the whole top end of this engine together. Now I am still going to do a couple things here in the future, like I believe I'll put a blow-off valve in this area. And I am going to install a wastegate, probably coming from here, and try to run the wastegate tubing to follow our exhaust. And I think that all will definitely help finish up the entire look of this thing. All in all though, as of right now, it does not look bad at all. I really like it. But we're all done with that now. Pretty much the whole air intake system is done, except for the couple little things I mentioned. I am, however, going to have to end this video right here. I got to get ready to go to work. So, again, you guys, thank you for helping me build this channel. Thank you for subscribing and watching. Like I said in the beginning, we were less than 10 away from hitting 1,500 subscribers. We may or may not have exceeded that already as you guys are watching this video, so I am really, really excited to tell you that. So, but don't worry. Like I said, I'm going to work. When I get back, I will do the drawing for the 1,500 subscriber giveaway. But from this video till the next, you are still eligible to watch the video, like links in the beginning of this one. Follow the instructions, subscribe, and comment for your chance to win our nut driver insert tool, or our nut rivet insert tool. So you still have a chance. If you know anybody that wants the tool or would like a chance to win a free tool, get them subscribed, get them to watch that video, get them to comment as well. So again though, I am going to end this video right here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, thank you for helping me build, it's just been a dream come true for me. So, and I get a kick out of sharing all this stuff. But I did rig up my jumper box. I'm going to go ahead and fire this up because who doesn't like to hear a turbocharged street bike engine and a home-built cross cart. But again, thank you guys for watching and hanging out, and I'll catch you on the next one.